Begin by signing up for a Shopify plan. The Shopify Starter Plan includes basic design tools for beginners. Next, choose a domain through Shopify or a third-party provider. Configure basic settings like currency and shipping. Pick a theme from over 100 free and paid options, such as Dawn. Themes provide ready-made layouts. Use the drag-and-drop theme editor to customize layouts, colors, and fonts without coding. To add products, upload images, descriptions, pricing, and variations like sizes or colors. Create essential content like blogs, pages, and menus using the online store editor. Integrate payment gateways, with Shopify payments being the simplest option for beginners. Manage your inventory effectively directly from the Shopify admin dashboard. Set up your checkout flow to be as seamless as possible. Ensure your site is mobile optimized, as 70% of traffic comes from mobile devices. Focus on fast load times, aiming for under 3 seconds. Follow accessibility guidelines for a user-friendly experience. Prioritize clear navigation and trust signals, such as SSL certificates. Leverage Shopify's Academy for free tutorials. Consider using apps for enhanced SEO and email marketing. Remember, even without technical skills, Shopify's tools allow for quick and effective store designs. Keep in mind, app costs can add up.